transmutation is the ability to take, and energy is how we feel. When we feel a particular way, that emotion that is evoked, that is really energy in a particular type of form. So we could convert that form and transmute it into something a little more productive.
So with that, do you believe in life after death?
That's a deep philosophical question.
What is the relationship? There's a level of arbitrariness between the word and what the word defines of the object, right? We can remove the word cup and we can replace cup with spoon.
Basically in comedy, Mitch Hedberg. I like to throw out Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's so realistic.